All right, so this thing's probably, I don't know, old. And the other day I looked down there and I had both ripped here and here. I was quite disappointed. And so I did a little research and I found this little setup. I'll put a link in the description. And it doesn't say it works for Spotless, but it will. And so I couldn't find anything that showed how to do it. So I've started the process. And I'll show you what it takes. So basically, you pull off the recovery tank, and there's a couple of screws that you'll just pull off of here, yank this out, pull off this, and then you will see this hose here is stuck on there. And then internally, well actually, this hose here comes out there. So you'll have to, mine was zip tied on, which is no big deal. So you just pop out the zip ties, pull this hose off, and then you'll pull it out of this little part right here. You see it goes through that hole. And then to get this off, this is a pain in the ass, honestly. You got to cut it like multiple times. And all it does, there's nothing in there. There's nothing holding it on except for this little lip. See, there's nothing there except for this lip. So it's a pain. I'd suggest just grabbing a box cutter, cutting it as many times as you can, and then popping it out. But that's the hardest part. Now, then you've got this side. This side isn't, no, it's a little bit challenging, but not too bad. You've got a pin here and a pin there. So I just grabbed my 7/32 drill bit, drill this out, drill that out, and this pops out. Well, then you have to pull a couple screws out of here. This is not that big a deal. Let me see here. You undo this, undo this, and then this pulls out. This pulls out, so then I'll just disconnect it here. So this comes with a brand new hose. I'll replace this here, run it through this hose, through the middle, run the little silicone hose at the other end, through here. See, it just slides right through. Then I'll put this onto here, and it comes with a little spring clip as opposed to the zip ties. And, oh, nice. It comes with another spring, which actually goes in here. I don't know. Oh, it's a totally different spring. It's a really, excuse me. So this is the spring that was in here. And by the way, this got really sticky, so I just put some Vaseline on it. Man, that was nice. Makes it so easy, just instant on and off. But they've changed the spring setup, so instead of just a short, stiff one, it's got a much longer one, so hopefully that works. And then somewhere, oh, so interesting. This one just sticks right in there, whereas the new one uses an O-ring. So that's what this is for, is the O-ring. But grand scheme of things, all you got to do, drill those two little pilot holes out, and then cut the crap out of this one. I couldn't believe I cut it 3 times. Yeah, 3 times, and it was still a bear to get out. Some people say use a heat gun or a hair blower to warm it up, but whatever. That's about it. No more fear of the unknown for you.